Alright, well, we've got some more time on the camera now. So I got the software thing up. It was only a couple of moments after the camera turned off, and this is the listing that it gives me for Disk 1. None of this we care about. I don't know what IMN search is. Java, well, we don't need Java. We don't need OpenGL. We don't have graphics. PEX, PIGS, I had no idea. X11, no. Base operating system we already installed. DB2 version 5. Well, remember I had version 6 on CD. DCE, couldn't even tell you. Devices, well, we have device drivers already installed, so we should be fine. I4_LS, not a clue. IPFX, IPX, LDAP, no. Perf agent, no. Perl, no. I can only imagine how old that version of Perl is. Package, God, I don't know. Printers, no. System backup, no. System management, we should already have. And XLC. Now, this is all, it's saying, okay, move to, and press F7, that's what lets you select. I don't really care about any of this stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back. Well, actually, I wonder if there's a way to there we go, list software, list installed software. And let's list the installed software. Let's go nuts. So there you go. You can see a lot of that BOS, the base operating system. Boy, I bet you this is going to be huge. Yeah, 221 lines. So we got a lot of base operating system. Is there a page down? I don't really. I'm just looking at the keyboard here. I don't really think there's a next page or anything. It's a terminal keyboard, so who knows, right? But as you can see how long the update screen takes here. And there's a lot of stuff on it, but so yeah, basically I'm going to eject Disk 1 and we're going to try Disk 2. Yeah, I'm not even touching the screen. The keyboard rather. Alright, so yeah, whatever. Okay. Thank you for playing. So we want to install and update. We want to install and update from latest available software. Yep. Okay, we're going to choose this. Now the other thing, if we had downloaded these programs from the UCLA or from the Group Bull website, we would point it to the folder that we had downloaded things from after we had built a table that it knew how to interpret as an installer. So we're going to hit F4 to choose software and to install. That's all very important. The command is inutoc, I-N-U-T-O-C. Forget exactly what it stands for, but basically builds a table of contents based off of the software that's in that particular directory, or whatever directory you point it towards. Kind of cool stuff. Utterly useless for us right now because we don't have any precompiled AIX binaries available. So, you know, sucks to be us. Do 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 do. Well, while we're waiting on that, preview only. We won't do commit software updates. Yes. Save replace files. No. Automatically install requisite software. Yes. Extend file systems. Yes. Overwrite same or newer versions. Set to no. Verify. Install and check file sizes. We don't really have to do that. Install corresponding languages. Yes. Detailed output. No. Process multiple volumes. Yes. In other words, do some sane installs. We don't really need to go nuts with this. Now, okay, so we got 1,924 line items here. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. And you know what I'm seeing here is this looks an awful lot like kind of the high level, or rather the detail of the last screen, which was sort of, yeah, I mean, here, look at that. That's the OpenGL. So we saw Java, now we see OpenGL. So this is basically all that crap all over again. And I don't care about OpenGL, although it is kind of neat to see what it can support. This particular model can take a GXT 150 as a planar video card. Oh, well, apparently the PEX graphics. PEGs is graphics. It's the PEGs from graphics. How interesting. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Yeah, I mean, okay, I got end of form. Oh, there's even a key on here that's not labeled. Weird. It's, okay, where the numlock key would normally be is a button called jump. Immediately to the right of that, which is normally the, forward slash, is backslash? Backslash is blank. So, you know, how interesting. Now, we could install CDE. That would be kind of cool, but we don't have any graphics on here. Now, we could do a remote X terminal, or server, rather. Oh, dear, oh, dear. Oh, there, too. So, I'm willing to bet that this is basically everything that was on the other CD. In fact, I'm willing to make a pretty good bet on that. So I'm going to cancel out of this. I'm going to cancel out of that. I'm going to eject that CD. And I'm going to put it in disk 3. Disk 3 is, I don't know, what do you want to bet? Languages? I don't know. If we want to install latest software, we want to choose drive, CD. Build me a list, and I'm going to go get a Coke. I'll be right back. Part of me is wondering if I shouldn't have been doing all of this on a faster system. That F50 that I keep talking about, it's got 4 333 megahertz 604E processors. This has got one, I think it's a 66 megahertz. I never really confirmed that. That thing also, the F50 also has 3 gigs of RAM, not 48 megabytes. Has multiple 10,000 RPM 9 gigabyte drives, not 1 gigabyte. I don't even think it's 5400. I think it's got 10100 Ethernet and fiber channel and all manner of good stuff. Boy, now we got 1924 on this one as well. How interesting. See, I think what we ran into now is the original CD listed sort of high-level categories. And now this is, the packages are now spread across the last 4 disks, or last 3 disks, excuse me. So, I'm willing to bet that it actually isn't on anything on here that we actually care about. Because remember, the whole goal is we're just hoping that maybe something somewhere has a gzip program on it, but I'm willing to bet that doesn't exist. So there's volume 4. I'm not even going to try volume 4, so take a peek at the update CD. Now, this one actually includes an instruction card. Oh. Honestly don't know. I'm opening up the CD binder here again. I'm going to see now there's a bonus pack. So I got some instruction cards on that as well. Curious to see what that says, because if it includes like Linux utilities, that'd be pretty cool. Here we go. Alright, oh dear. Maybe. Let's see here. SCO, Tarantella software, Chilisoft ASP, Grapheon, Gojo, runtime environment. I mean, this is some old crap. 1999. A lot of security software, because this was back in the era when the export restrictions were all still in effect on high encryption stuff. Man, I remember that being a big pain in the rump. A lot of this looks like it's Netscape Communicator version 4.51, Hypermedia Browser Introductory Edition with the version 2.0 plugin. Oh man, I think we may not bother with the bonus pack. A lot of it's trial licensing. A lot of it's like evaluation versions. No limited warranties on these types of claims. So we're gonna put that right back where we got it from. Let's see here. Alright. So, hey, you know what? No guts, no glory. Let's see how the update CD works, because frankly, at the end of the day, we've got a working backup. So we're going to exit Smith entirely. Now, let's see here. It says, okay, this CD-ROM contains optionally installable updates not contained on the EAX version 4 product media. All updates on this media may be installed as a unit, or selected updates may be individually installed. Also contained on the media are instructions for identifying the problems fixed and installing all or only selected updates. While most problems resolved by these updates are not critical in nature, these instructions also contain recommendations for specific updates in some environments. Obtaining the installation instructions. Step 1, log in as root. Step 2, insert the CD into the drive. And then basically you mount the CD and then you copy the README file over, basically. So these are useless instructions because basically it says mount the CD and then copy it over. So we have the CD in the drive. So let's see, /MNT looks to be where they're going here first. I'm going to make a new directory here, CD-ROM. So we're going to do mount -v cdrfs-o ro/dev cd0/mnt/cd-rom. Done. CD drive is blinky. Cool. /mnt/cd-rom. And look at that. Alright, cool. So they say copy the README to the temp folder. Whatever. So let's do more README. Dagnammit, I can do this now. Okay. So what I'm seeing here already is AIX 4.3 update CD 9906. So it's 1999 month 6 of June. Okay. Hey, it's got Y2K updates. Cool. A lot of device support. Oh dear, okay. Installation procedures. Alright, yeah, cool. That's what we want. Critical updates. Who cares? Y2K, yeah. Hey, we don't have to reboot after the Y2K. Cool. Oh man, is it gonna... What is this? Okay, SSA adapter, TXT2000, TXT supported by this thing. Ooh, PCI fiber channel. Multi-protocol, PCI SCSI adapter, software harness. Okay, this media contains a set of recommended updates for AIX 4.3.2. Okay, so that's not us. Oop, back the camera. Tripod. The OS level command will still indicate such and such. Here we go. Okay, log in as root. Create a backup. Done. Installation failures due to missing base level file sets are normal. This means that a file set cannot be updated because now is already installed. Okay, indicating a file set is already installed are normal. Okay. Lyrics, installations. Oh, hey, we could fax them for help. Here we go. Insert the CD into the drive and issue the command SMIDI update unstore all. Okay, yeah, so that jumps us straight to the update. Indicate the CD as the thing, set other instead. Oh, okay, so basically we go back into Schmidt, Oh, first things first, so U-mount NTC ROM. Okay. Alright. So, software installation and maintenance, software updates, install and update for latest sources, drive. Oh, man. I torqued my back, and it is still just giving me grief. So, they said we can do an all latest update right there. I'm going to see what's on the disk first. Kind of prudent, you know. Yeah, I torqued my back, but not terribly comfortable, I'll be honest with you. Don't do that if you can help it. So it looks like, again, we've got a lot of updates for things. Well, okay. And a whole lot of it, too. So, you know what? Nuts to it. We're going to go back. Okay, preview only. No. Commit. Yes. Save. No. Yes. Yes. No. No. Yes. No. Enter. Go nuts. Because ultimately, at the end of the day, it's an update CD. If it's not already installed, it shouldn't install it. Right? I guess we'll find out. Oh, there we go. Interesting. Oh, alright. Maybe. Prerequisites, and requisites. Oh, success, that's good. 33 pest pre-install verification, 33 to be installed. Okay. 186 failed pre-installation verification. They're not there. Now, let's say that we go out with this system and we do install graphics, right? You know, X11 and CDE, things like that. Presumably the install media, we would install that. Then we would have to go through and do updates on those. So, you know, right now it's saying 186.33. Presumably we redo this, you know, after that install. 33 would have already been done, and we'd probably have, you know, a much larger number corresponding with the X11. But those 33 would already be done. So it doesn't, you know, like reinstall updates there as I understand it. So yep. It's a screamer. Oh, there we go. Maybe if I insulted enough. Oh, interesting. PCI. Well, I can hear it chugging in the hard drive internal. Saw the CD drive flash a little bit. Theoretically, when we're done with this, we can do the OS level dash. Well, it's supposed to be dash R. I don't know why that OS level doesn't have the dash R command. Dash R lets us see the revision level. So, tell what maintenance release we are on. But, well, anyway, I'm going to kill the camera again here, so I will catch up with you when this is done. So, yeah, 3 out of 33, so we got a while to go yet, so see you in a bit.